How to get high score in Block Blast. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to understand the basics. Block Blast is a puzzle game where you feed blocks into a grid to clear rows and columns. The goal is very clear and it is to clear as many lines as possible without running out of space. So as you can see that we have already fitted the block to the grid and cleared rows and column. Now you don't need to rush. Take your time to analyze the board and place blocks strategically to create multiple cleared lines with a single move. And after that, you need to use the corners and edges. Start feeling the corners and edges to leave more open space in the center for larger blocks. Also, you need to avoid leaving isolated gaps that are hard to fill later. And now you have to prioritize combo moves, clearing multiple lines at once on small points. So you simply need to look for opportunity to create combos by placing blocks that clear rows and columns simultaneously, and you always keep an eye on the upcoming block as well. And now you need to reserve space for larger blocks like 3x3 squares or long bars. Also, you can avoid feeding blocks in one area. Keep the grid balance to maximize placement options. Also, you need to practice and have patience. The more you play, the better you will get at spotting patterns and planning moves. So in this way, you can easily get high scores on Block Blast. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.